I request all the dignitaries to help you dispel the deepest darkness. If you light a lamp for somebody, it will also brighten your path. Now, I request the chief guest to light the lamp. Students.
सहित गणपतिं शंकरादि सेवितम्. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome our honorable chief guest, Shri Murthy Munipalli, Managing Director, InCap India Private Limited, on this occasion. In spite of his busy schedule, he accepted our invitation, is here to grace the occasion. I welcome you once again, sir. I welcome Mr. Ashok Nagendra, General Manager, InCap India Private Limited. I welcome Mr. Venkatesh TK, General Manager, Production and Testing, InCap India Private Limited, for today's occasion. I welcome you once again, sir. I welcome Mr. Anumantarayappa, Assistant General Manager, Finance and HR, InCap India Private Limited, for today's occasion. Once again, I welcome you, sir.
An immense pleasure in introducing our honorable chief guest, Mr. Murthy Munipalli, Managing Director of InCap India Private Limited. He holds Master of Science in Engineering and Master of Business Administration. He has served as Director of Operations India and Sales Asia at InCap India Private Limited since November 2013. He has been with the company from 2008. He was first Sales Director and then became Managing Director at Spike Technologies Limited, present Qualcomm, and Tata Elix Limited. He has received many awards for his achievements in his company. He is a very humble and down-to-earth person. We are very happy that he inaugurated and dedicated the new computer lab for the students. I welcome you again, sir. Thank you. Hari Om.
I am Amita of 10th standard. I am here to give a brief introduction about InCap India Private Limited. The roots of InCap go back all the way to 1985, when the company was registered into a trade register with the name Techno Invest. The company named InCap was born in 1992 through the merger of three development companies operating in various industries. InCap is able to provide high-quality manufacturing services to meet the most demanding customer needs. The customers of InCap India are globally operating electronic device manufacturers who may be established in Europe but have production facilities in Asia. Factory has deliveries to all over the world. Hundreds of different products are being produced in Tumkur factory. Among them are power supplies, inverters and UPS, fuel dispensing system, boards for LV and MV drives, and other industrial electronic products. Hari Om, thank you.
I'm going to give small demo on how we will conduct practical C is a basic and powerful programming language. Just I will explain the structure of the C program. Documentation section, preprocessor descriptive or link section, main, declaration section, executable part. Now the program. Children, you do it in the system. I will assure you that we will make you best use of this computer lab, sir. Thank you. Hari Om.
A very good morning to one and all present here. I take this opportunity to thank personally Mr. Murthy Munipalli, Managing Director, InCap India Private Limited, and his team for helping us and for supporting us to set up a senior computer lab in our institution. So much is said, I don't want to take much time, but only I would like to tell how it all went about. Last December, I called Mr. Murthy. He is a very close friend, family friend of ours. He said, okay, let me see you send your mail, send the mail in January. So I just, not having a lot of hope, I sent a mail. And then next I got call from the finance the general manager. And then followed just few phone calls and few mails, and he wanted some supporting documents. I furnished, and it was so smooth. And I didn't really, was not 100% sure, but it came just sudden, and Mr. Murthy called me and said, yes, it is done. So it was so smooth. So once again, I thank him for all the support, his company, his team, for helping us to set up a wonderful lab and we are here today, and he is here to inaugurate and for such a noble cause. It is like one more feather in my cap. Thank you so much.
First of all, I would like to say that the principal was magnanimous in her speech, and she was, telling a lot of good things, and it gives a very good feeling, to not because she spoke so good about me or about my company, but to come here and see this, because seeing is believing, and I'm very, very happy to say that, this is done in such a professional manner. She also mentioned that every rupee is well spent, and I can actually see it, and my colleagues are here to to support the same statement, that I am actually overwhelmed by this whole thing, and especially the professionalism with which the whole thing has been done.
On behalf of the Karnataka Chinmaya Seva Trust, which is the trust which manages all the institutions in Karnataka, I wanted to personally extend my gratitude and thanks to Mr. Murthy and all his colleagues and to the company.
Good morning. I, Vivek of Class 10, take this opportunity to thank our Chief Guest, Shri Murthy Munipalli, who spared time from his busy schedule to grace the